welcome Nancy Barkley. Nancy is running our interest group for destination weddings and honeymoons. And we had a wonderful session just last week about this. And I just wanted to just say hello. Maybe if you want to just take a minute to explain who you are and what we're doing within the Destination Wedding Interest Group. And Nancy, I think, is joining us from, is it Maryland? I'm not even...
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia, okay, oh, very close.
Well, first of all, I want to thank you because like everybody stated, first of all, happy anniversary. And I just think this is such a wonderful organization. As Jürgen stated, my name is Nancy Barkley. I am based in Philadelphia. I am a certified destination wedding and honeymoon planner, and I've been dedicated to the hospitality industry for 25 years. You know, I do specialize in destination weddings. They're all international, so I empathize, I hear, I understand what everyone is saying on this platform. So many of us depend on tourism, myself included, and when I joined World Tourism Network in October, I was really, really inspired by what a lot of people were saying. And I know there were a lot of interest groups. So I thought, why not start one for destination wedding and honeymoon tourism? Destination weddings, so many components. You know, I'm looking at all your charts and the GDP, and I know a lot of people that have, you know, lost their business, a lot of people that are hurting. Just for a destination wedding, you know, there's the wedding planner, there's the airlines, the villa, the hotels, the photographers, the DMCs, the tour guides, the chauffeurs. I mean, one destination wedding can make up 25 different aspects of tourism. So we just launched our first Zoom on Saturday, and I think it went really, really well. As a matter of fact, right before this, just got off a conference call with a member, and we're going to start trying to collaborate to bring more tourism to her smaller Caribbean countries. So everyone's on here. I am on the World Tourism Network. I'm under honeymoons and destination weddings. So I really, truly hope you'll join our interest group and we can all start working together.
Thank you very much, Nancy.